warm when the kitten are playing outside, and the mother cat is also happily preparing dinner in the kitchen. While everyone was sleeping soundly, this evil black cat climbed the window and broke into the kitten house. Oh no! The cunning black cat started walking around the house to flood things.
Oh no!
The sound of the vase breaking was so loud that the mother cat woke up and went out to check. Help! There's a burglar in my house! Oh no! The black cat committed a crime and then casually walked out of the house.
I will take revenge.
Since then, the kitten has been determined to study and practice hard to become a good police officer to avenge his mother. Wow! 20 years later, the kitten actually became a police officer like his dream. The evil black cat appears again, and this time he's robbing a supermarket. Hey, police! There's a robbery!
Calm down, I'll be there right away.
Oh no, please forgive me.
In the end, it was the policewoman who made the evil black cat pay for her actions.